Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today I would like to show you how I made this incense cone using the dried flowers. So let's get started. Let's start making the incense cone. So these are the flowers from Ganesh Puja time in August. It has been 3 months and it was a little busy, so this project was kept aside. But I'm now going to make it. These are very well dried. Look at the color, retain the color of these flowers. And I show you the sunflower. See the sunflower petals, so beautiful. And I will digress a bit and I'll show you some of the dehydrated flowers I have. And this one which I have here is 10 years old. Look at it, how beautiful the bouquet is. This white thing you see with the green leaves, and these are air dried and so beautiful. And there's one more from Ganesh Puja itself, and I'll show you. Look at the sunflower, how beautiful it is, so beautiful. So today we will make the incense cone. The first step is I will take this twine away, and then we'll see the next step. So I have separated the twine, the stalks, and only kept the petals. So now the next step is to make these flowers into powder. So we will do that. And I will show you all the other ingredients we need to make the cone. So we will first make this into powder. So taking the grinder. So this is all we have, and then I'm going to show the rest of the ingredients I'm using. I'm using sandalwood powder for effective burning of the cones, and then I'm using Mako powder. This is a binder, so going to measure it, and then we will see. This is one part of flower powder, one part of Mako powder, and 2 parts of wood powder. This is sandalwood I have. And I'm going to use the fragrance oil in the end. So I'm going to mix it all together with water, little water at a time. And let's start. So I'm going to add little fragrance oil. So shape them into cone or in a cylindrical shape. So I'm done shaping them into the cones. Just show you one. Not very big. I think it will last for like 15 to 20 minutes, and that's what I'm looking for because I usually light early morning and in the evenings. And now it needs to be dried. It will take few days to dry, and then after it dries I'll still wait like for a week's time and then light one. So I'm checking this after 2 weeks. I made these on November 15th, and then wasn't here. I was at my son's house in North Carolina. So spent Thanksgiving over there and returned after 2 weeks. So good thing is this is completely dried. So it's time to light it. So let's see. I already used one. So let's do it. It takes about 5 to 7 days to completely dry. That's the key. So let's light this. The fragrance I used is fir, like fir tree. So it's give the feeling that you are walking in the woods. It's so good. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.